What's up, y'all? It's your girl. I have not done a makeup tutorial in so long. It's crazy. Okay, but we're starting with some sunscreen. I had a couple breakouts because it's my period week, so forgive me. But this Viola recovery oil is amazing. It's pretty thick, which I love, but not too thick, so I don't get too much. But I always start with sunscreen. It seems like the best base for me personally because I super like. Anyways, I'm taking my trusty dusty LA Girl concealer, putting that over my lids and rubbing that in. You know how we do. And then I'm going to take my trusty Jaclyn Hill palette that I've been using for years, y'all, years. It's just, not going anywhere pretty much. I'm taking a beige base and putting that over my lid to start, just something simple, something simple. And then we're going to take like a darker color and put that on the outer corner. This is how I learned how to do eyeshadow, y'all. Like back in the day when there were makeup influencers, like when they were this shit, this is how I learned how to do makeup. So put like a darker shade on the corner, and then you're pretty much just gonna go up in darkness, like, take a little bit of a darker color, put it on there, and make sure you blend it real good. I got these little eyeshadow brushes from the beauty shop, and this is a purple look, so I'm really scared. I was really nervous to start, but you just gotta just do it. Just don't be scared, just go for it. I started with like the center of my lid and then started fading it in with the other darker colors on the outer corner. So, just go a little bit at a time, nothing too crazy. Sometimes you'll have to go back and forth with the darker shade, including putting it in your crease. So I wanted to like do something real crazy and add a blue shade. I made that face because the blue shade, it was like super cute. I don't even know. I'll put it in the description. But I wanted it to be like kind of like, I don't know, moonlight, I guess. Just like a really fun lid color that I don't usually do. This was kind of just winging it as I went, but there was a little trend on TikTok that I asked people what colors should I do, and my friend suggested purple, so I did. I tried that, and low key, I feel like I should have stopped here, but I took the teal and started putting it in my inner corner. It came out okay. I liked the lighter teal color. It was way more sparkly, so I did that. And yeah, I ended up loving it like this, y'all. I kind of went a little dramatic. I used to see the girlies do it like this, so I tried it and I actually loved it. Just bring it up into the other colors. Make sure that you're blending as best as you can. As best as you can. It's kind of hard sometimes, but you got this, you got this. I added like this white highlight to make it pop a little bit more. Ooh, it's coming out really crazy. I like loved it. But the blend is pretty damn good. I'm loving the purple TH. Then I started with my brows. Yes, my favorite port. I do usually do like a pomade, but this eyeshadow is, it works well. It does okay. Just don't like smudge it too much, to be honest. It won't help with that. That's why I like the waterproof kind. But anyways, yeah, I've been doing my brows for a long time. So I pretty much got the hang of it. I don't have an arch, so that's really where I need help. And I also bring that brown into the lash line. One of the makeup artists that I used to work with, she's the one who helped me do that. She was like, it's a lot better than black, and it kind of just adds that little dark shade that you need. Ooh, I really love that. I do. Okay, but I went back into the blue, and I think it's called Twerk It now that I'm now that I'm thinking about it. I added that to the bottom because sometimes you gotta bring your top lids down, even if it's a crazy color. Like, you could do the same thing with the top lid, just blend the browns and the colors and, you know, like, go with the flow. It's kind of like a recipe. You just like trust your gut, add, and you can subtract as you go if you don't really like it. Anyways, this is the Soft Glam Foundation by e.l.f. I actually really loved it. I haven't used it in a real long time, but when I do a full face, full coverage, I really like this for full coverage. It's not the best full coverage, like you might have to layer it some, but I absolutely love it because it's not too heavy, you know? This was kind of a hot day, you can't do too much. But yeah, going back with the concealer and highlighting, you know, you gotta do that, you gotta do that. And that's one of my favorite parts, TBH. It really pulls together your face, especially when you don't really put on makeup often. And then when you do, and you use a little highlight and do a full face, girl, you be looking fresh to death, to be honest. Okay, anyways, just yapping away, putting together my face. But also, you know what my favorite part is bronzer, or like the cut, not a cut crease, a yeah, the bronzer. What am I'm blanking on what this is actually called, but anyway. Oh, um, contour. Oh my God. Tell me why I had to look it up, y'all. I had a brain fart. I promise. I'm not even like smoking weed or pregnant, so I don't know what the fuck was wrong with my brain, but maybe just because I haven't done makeup in so long. Anyways, contour. That is one of my favorite parts. It just like chisels your face and blending it in. Ooh, it really does something to your makeup look. It really does. So we put that at the outline of our face, up on my big ass forehead, and in my cheekbones. Yes, child. Ooh, I just love this part. Really, I do. But don't do this without highlighting. And I recommend highlighting first so that you can contour and it blends better to me, in my opinion. But yeah, I do my nose too, and I love this little brush. I got that from Elena Badro. She sent me these brushes. Thank you, girl, again. Appreciate you. But yes, we do the nose, we do the cheekbones, we do the top of the forehead, on our temples, around our temples and such, and then make sure everything is blended. And then my second favorite part is the blush, child. Like, ooh, you put it on your cheek. I put it right in the center of my cheek. Love this Milani blush, child. I have using this same blush like for decades, bro, like decades. And this, the Churro Color Pop highlight, baby. I ain't never steered away from that. Like, look how low it is, but it's tried and true. Like, I don't truly, I wear makeup, don't get me wrong, but like doing a full face is kind of rare for me, so it's just been like there for me like throughout all these years. I swear I probably got that shit in like fucking 2013, 2014 or something. I swear, maybe even before that. But anyways, they don't even make it anymore, and it is the absolute best. I might have to email them, let them know, bring it back. Anyways, yes, put it on your nose. I love putting it at the tip of my lip right there, and the top of your cheekbones. This is just finishing up my brow with this pencil. It's okay, you know. I'm not a huge fan of pencils, but recently I started using this NYX pencil, and I absolutely love it. But this pencil that I have right here, I forgot what it was, but I'll put everything in the description. Don't worry. I have this brow pomade by Morphe, that it's just clear pomade that keeps your hairs down. Y'all, the brows are just the best part of a makeup look. I know I said that like 5 times, but anyways, we're doing a little wing because this is a dramatic look. I am obsessed with wearing it. I remember when I was first wearing it, it was a time. It took a lot of patience, but you learn it, and then once you get the hang of it, it's like you never want to stop doing it. And I definitely had my era where I was doing it every day. Okay, But anyways, we used like this cat eye mascara that's been my go-to. I absolutely love the brush. Like something about it just does so well with my lashes. We got like this NYX pencil and some type of lip gloss that I is to die for, TBH. Like, thank you. We love it. And the finished makeup look is like, get it, baby. It looks
And I hope
really
you guys
good.
enjoyed this video. Bye. See you later.